Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video I'm going to show you how to exactly write an email using ChatGPT. It's 100% free. So this link I will attach in description below. Please check it. At first I'm going to ChatGPT. Then you need to log in here and type for my you can put anything, and I put then type. You see, this is a 100% unique article. You can use this article and for anything like email for your client hunting SEO project. So another write an email for web design agency. Oh my god, you see, chat GPT write two email for me. This is 100% unique. I believe that, and you can use this article for any business purpose. This is no problem and no matter. And example of a subject, let's build your dream website. Dear client, example of a client name and Jack and anything. And I hope email find well you.